Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Cranium Crate. I am so pumped. They actually reached out to me through Instagram, and they're like, hey, do you want a review for us? And I was like, absolutely. So I wore my special skull scarf. Can you see the skulls? Oh yes. I love skulls. I like, when we go to El Paso, I always pick up a different sugar skull, because when I travel, I try to get something that's very like centered in that area, but I'm not into like cactuses or boots or anything, and I love skulls, so I always try to get one, and I think they're cool, and they're very like punk rock, whatever. So this is $24.95 monthly. It is a hand curated collection of different skull items, so that's it. It's cool. $24.95 a month. I'm excited to see what's in here. I did pop the top just to see, to take my first glimpse photos, as I always do. And right on the top you have a really cool sticker. I'm gonna put this on my van. That is cool. It says Cranium Crate, but like it's like mostly just skull. All skull. Old Skull, my favorite band. And then they have a cool hollow sticker here on the top. It's a skull. Go figure. All right. So there's a sticker here that says, hello darkness, my old friend. And it is, I guess, coffee being poured on a skeleton. There are two of those. Those are really cool. Oh, it's from a coffee company. Raven's Brew Coffee, Dead Man's Reach. A Raven's Brew cult classic. Our famous high-speed blend is dark roasted with a sweet bite. Served in bed, raises the dead. Sorry, that's funny. So there is their card. I'm guessing they're going to be in here. Raven's Brew Coffee. And so they have a whole bunch of different brews, though, besides the Dead Man's Reach. There is a Resurrection blend, a Grin and Bear It. It's a Bruin blend. That's like the Boston Bruins, the hockey team. I don't like sports, though. Don't get excited. Raven's Brew Coffee. Dharma's Beans. Improve your karma. Drink the Dharma. I love this. I want to know more about this company. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Wicked Wolf Coffee. Three Peckered Billy Goat Coffee. Skookum Blend, which Hollow Wow Wow Muckum Coffee. Shut up and drink the coffee. I don't know. It's so funny, though. All right, anyway, let's keep moving. Those are just cards, though. I'm guessing there's going to be copy in here, or maybe they just lend their stickers. These are 4 little sugar skull coasters. How cool are these? I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. I don't think I'll use them as coasters because my kids are like so destructive, and they're like, I don't want to ruin them. I'll keep them for when they're older. How about that? But there's 4, and they're all different, but all very colorful. So there's that. Oh, here it is, look. Yes. So there's a mug here. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? So there is, first on top, there is a Dead Man's Reach Raven's Brew Coffee mug. It's got a skull on it. Served in bed, raises the dead. And then there's 2. I've seen these before. You guys have too. Sweetest Sin Sugar Cubes. These are little skull-shaped sugar cubes, and they have a little bow on them. How cool. I don't use sugar in my coffee. I don't eat sugar, so, but that's still very cool for people that do. There's a little skull here just for fun. And then there is a bag, a 3-ounce bag of Dead Man's Reach. It's funny, I just bought coffee like 3 days ago. I was like, I gotta get coffee. All right, I'm actually really excited for this, and this is ground coffee, and I love it. It says for graveyard shifts. I think this is so cool. The elixir for a new millennium. Dead Man Reach is a shoal-along Baranoff blend in Peril Strait in the Alexander Archipelago of Southeast Alaska. We thought Dead Man's Reach sounded like coffee, and were inspired to design this special high-speed blend for a very rare coffees for jump-starting your mornings. Long-haul trucking. Cramming for exams, winning races, inspiring great ideas and noble emotions, graveyard shifts, deadlines, state of pure bliss, and intense coffee pleasure. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love that. I just love their like whole branding. All right, moving along, there's a couple more items. 2. Oh my gosh, yes! Okay, so I actually have these, one of these already. Now I have 3. So these are teaspoons with skulls. I adore. So this is, okay, so once, I should say on the site it said in a unique theme, and I didn't really understand what that meant. I'm like, okay. So this is like obviously a coffee box from Cranium Crate. Oh my I don't know if they've ever done, if this is their first box. I'm getting over the top with so this is their coffee themed box. I am so curious to see what they do. I'm like gonna go look like other months. What have they done before? If this is their first box, I want to see what they do next month. This is super cool. So there's 2 of these skull spoons. So for $24.95, you're getting these 2 cool teaspoons. These are so cool. I have 3 now and I'm so pumped. All right. Your 2 sugar cubes in skull shape. Your new Dead Man's mug. This fun little skull for decoration. And then 3 ounces of Dead Man's Reach coffee. Your 4 coasters. See how it's all coming together now in my head? I can look back and go, whoa, it's really cool. I see what they were doing. And all this information from them. And then your 3 awesome stickers. So I think this box is amazing. I cannot wait to see what they do in the future. If you like skulls, it's great. If you like Halloween, it's even greater. Please do check out my full review below, which I will link to. I will also link to Cranium Crate so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.